QNet Devices Firmware Control Panel. Device Configuration. Many devices in the QNet product range, such as ticket dispensers, LCD displays, and customer feedback terminals, are based on ARM single-board computers, such as Raspberry Pi or Rock Pi. These devices run on a pre-installed Linux operating system, which is installed using an image file. In our terminology, we refer to this image as the device firmware. We also have devices based on the Windows operating system. The configuration process shown in this video also applies to these devices. However, in this case, the required software must first be installed manually. Accessing the device configuration. After the device is powered on and the system has started, an information screen is displayed. This screen shows the current IP address and, if an internet connection is available, a pairing code. The device can be configured directly on its touchscreen. Alternatively, if the device has a valid IP address, the configuration interface can be accessed remotely from a web browser. Wi-Fi access point. If the device does not have a valid IP address, the built-in Wi-Fi access point can also be used for configuration. On a smartphone or laptop, look for a Wi-Fi network with a name similar to QNet-SH76-5166-AP. The exact name depends on the device type and its identifier, but the structure will be similar. Connect to this network using the password QNet1234. Since this connection does not provide internet access, your smartphone may require you to confirm that you want to stay connected. The device control panel can then be opened in a web browser using the URLs shown in the video. The same password, QNet1234, is used to log in. Dashboard. The dashboard displays information about the device and its current status. It also shows the list of supported hardware devices. Several operations can be performed from here, such as restarting the device, refreshing the screen, opening the developer console, or identifying the device. Settings. The Settings menu contains the network, connection, and other device parameters. Although the server parameters can be entered manually, using the pairing function is usually easier. For more information about pairing, see our device configuration video. Network and time settings. If a static IP address is required, it can be configured under the Networks menu. Wireless network settings can be configured under Wi-Fi. The date, time zone, and NTP server settings are also available in the Settings menu. The display settings can be configured here as well. You can also select the audio output and adjust the volume. System. Under the System section, you can configure several system-level functions. These include scheduled nighttime restarts, automatic screen refresh, and heartbeat protection. The factory settings can also be restored from this section. Debug logging can be enabled here as well. Simple and advanced settings. The buttons at the top of the screen allow you to switch between simple and advanced settings. You can also export the current configuration and import previously saved settings. Linux terminal. The Linux terminal can be useful when you need to run Linux commands for troubleshooting. For example, it can be used to check whether the device can reach the server, or to verify other network-related settings. VNC Viewer. The VNC Viewer displays the image currently shown on the device screen. This makes it possible to remotely check what is displayed on the device without being physically present. Logs. The Logs menu provides access to 3 types of log files: System, Firmware, and Device Controller. These logs can be useful when troubleshooting problems. The following button enables or disables automatic log refreshing. The Download button can be used to download the selected log file. The Clear button deletes its contents. Hardware. Under the Hardware menu, You can test the connected and supported hardware devices. The available options depend on the type of hardware connected to the device. For example, you can test the display and audio output, the printer, the card reader, and other supported devices.